In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. When Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you, it can feel frustrating, especially if you rely on it for buying or selling. The issue usually comes down to eligibility, location restrictions, or account limitations. To fix it, you first need to understand why it's unavailable. First, make sure that Facebook app is updated in here in App Store or Play Store to enjoy the latest features. Marketplace is supported only in certain regions. So if you're traveling or using Facebook from a country where Marketplace isn't active, it won't appear. Using a VPN can also confuse Facebook's system and make Marketplace disappear. So always access it with your real location. Another common reason is account eligibility. Marketplace is only accessible to people over 18, and your Facebook account must be in good standing. If you recently violated Facebook's community standards or engaged in suspicious activity, Marketplace can be restricted temporarily or permanently. To resolve this, go to your Facebook account quality section and check if you have restrictions. If there are none, log out, clear your app's cache, update Facebook, and log back in, as this often refreshes Marketplace access. If Marketplace has been restricted unfairly, you can appeal directly within Facebook. Just visit the Help Center in here or click Request Review from the notification that says Marketplace isn't available. Provide details and submit your appeal, and Facebook will review your account. Sometimes, access is restored within a few days after review. If you're still unable to see Marketplace after confirming eligibility, the last fix is to switch devices or try desktop instead of mobile. Many users regain access simply by logging in on a different phone or browser, then returning to their main device. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.